Today's fun unboxing of this Homvana humidifiers. Now, you're probably in a dry and crusty region where there is no water, or during summertime, or perhaps you have some hardwood floors and you've been told that you need to keep those moist. Well, in today's video, we're going to be showing you, first of all, the unpackaging right here. You'll see that there's a little cleaner. I'm going to show you exactly how that's used in just a little bit. You've got some handy instructions, and now we're actually hopping into the goodies of this Homvana, not one, but two dehumidifier, or not dehumidifiers, humidifiers. You want it to be humid. You want, like if you're in Arizona or Nevada or the desert, this will make your nose so much less dry and crusty. So let's open this, and there's one. The other is exactly identical to this. Let's go ahead and open this up. You'll see that the actual power cable is on the inside. Open it up, and that will be plugging in directly to the bottom. See that right down there? Clickety click like so, and we're good to go. Now let's actually take a look at the cable itself and make sure that it is in fact long enough. Who knows, maybe these things come with little 12-inch long cables, and that's not gonna do it all, but oh wow, this is well over 6 feet long. Yeah, that's fantastic. Okay, and so there's this little guy goes right in the middle, okay? And then you fill it up to the max line. See that line? Fill it up just to about there. Don't overfill. And then once it's in, go ahead and plop this on, plug it in, and turn it on with that little mechanism. And the other one is exactly like it. So you can disperse them all throughout your house and actually get moisture and just a nice refreshing mist in every room of your house.